Dr. Shiva Ayyadurai, real solutions to real problems. Let's talk about a company like Monsanto. Some of you may not know, Monsanto and Dow in the 1960s developed a chemical called Agent Orange, which is an herbicide that they used to deliver via aircraft to defoliate the Vietnamese countryside so we could go kill a lot more Vietnamese. But in doing that, not only did we kill a lot of Vietnamese, but we also hurt our soldiers who still suffer to this day from Agent Orange poisoning. After the war ended, Monsanto and other companies retooled that delivery system to go use it on factory farms. So today, we have an explosion of factory farms. Most of our foods comes from factory farms, and we use that same technology to deliver a different chemical called Roundup, as you may know it, or glyphosate, which is dropped on our farms and which shows up now everywhere in the soil and is linked to many, many diseases from cancer to diabetes, etc. My view is that companies like Monsanto are one of the most evil corporations, and they're getting away with murder. People like Elizabeth Warren and most of the Republicans and Democrats have supported companies like Monsanto, in fact, get a lot of funding from them. I would support these kinds of lobbying, and I would drive very hard to ensure that we have more bills that really support organic farms and local farms. 80% of working people in this country want good food for their children, and you deserve it. So keep in mind that I will be one of the first senators to take on these behemoths like Monsanto. Thank you.